Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the overlay in CapCut PC. Alright, for example, I'm just going to add video, and to add the overlay, you can put on top. So select your images or videos or other element you want to make as an overlay, so put on top, for example. Which is this image overlay or this logo overlay, and you can resize, you can change for the position, and you can blend the overlay. So select basic, scroll down until you find the plane option, just select the model plane overlay, or select your model plane, just select. So you can see like watermark. You can add more overlay, put on top, and remove the background. So change for the size, and yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also